Welcome to aminacademy.com. In discrete mathematics, let us do some let us discuss about inverse functions. Here, what is inverse function? Suppose get y equal f of x. Therefore, we can say f of x equal 4x plus 3. Now we can write y equal 4x plus 3 is a function. Now get x value in terms of y, that is y minus 3 equal 4x. Then get x value, y minus 3 over 4 is x. Now apply the value of x as f inverse x and value of y as x. We can write x minus 3 over 4. Now inverse of the function f of x 4x plus 3 is f inverse x equal x minus 3 over 4. In general, we'll define this. Let f of a to b be a bijection, means biject function. Then a function g of b to a which associate each element that is each element y is in b, y is an element of b, to a unique element x is an element of a such that f of x equal y is called the inverse of f. That is, we can say f of x equal y, since that equal g of y equal x. So the inverse function can be denoted in ray diagram like, suppose here this is x, this is y. Now this set a, it's a b. From a to b is function f, but y to x, that is b to a, means y to x is f inverse x. Now let us do some example to understand this concept clearly. Example, a function f is defined by f of x tends to x over x minus 3. Find f inverse x, f inverse 3, f of 6. First one, let us do f inverse x. Before that, f of x equal, that is f of x equal x over x minus 3. Instead of f of x, we will introduce y equal x over x minus 3. Get the value of x in terms of y, means y cross multiplying x minus 3 equal x. Now yx minus 3y equal x. Collect x, yx minus x equal 3y. Then collect x, y minus 1 equal 3y. Then x equal 3y over y minus 1. That means we expressed the value of x in terms of y. Now apply, instead of x, write f inverse x. Instead of y, write x. 3x over x minus 1. The second part of the question is they ask f inverse 3. F inverse 3 is equal, substitute the value of x as 3, that is 3 into 3 over 3 minus 1 equal 9 over 2. Third one, f of 6 means just substitute value of x is 6 in y equal 6 in f function, means that f function is x over x minus 3, x over x minus 3 in 6 over 3, which is equal to, we have done.